Once upon a time, there was a poor woodcutter who lived in a small village. Every day, he would go into the forest to cut wood, which he sold to earn a living. He was a hard-working and honest man. One day, while cutting wood near a river, his axe slipped from his hands and fell into the water. The river was deep, and the woodcutter could not retrieve his axe. He sat down by the river bank and began to cry, worried about how he would earn money without his axe. Suddenly, the river spirit appeared before him and asked, "Why are you crying, good woodcutter?" The woodcutter explained his misfortune, and the river spirit took pity on him. She dived into the river and came back with a golden axe. "Is this your axe?" she asked. The woodcutter looked at the shiny golden axe and said, "No, this is not my axe." The river spirit dived again and returned with a silver axe. "Is this your axe?" she asked. Again, the woodcutter shook his head and said, "No, this is not my axe." The river spirit dived once more and brought back the woodcutter's old, rusty iron axe. "Is this your axe?" she asked. The woodcutter's face lit up, and he exclaimed, "Yes, this is my axe. Thank you." The river spirit was so pleased with the woodcutter's honesty that she gave him all three axes, the golden one, the silver one, and his own iron one. The woodcutter went home happily and lived a prosperous life. Moral of the story: honesty is always rewarded. It's important to be truthful, even when you think no one is watching.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing stories.